today we're going to be making a crochet headband. This is a really quick project that you can make as a gift as well. I'm using Woolies Thick and Quick. This is a nice thick yarn, comes in very nice beautiful colors. I have a nice soft pink today, and this calls for a 9mm hook, N 9mm hook. So I'm going to pull that on out and let's start crocheting. You want to start with 10 chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have our 10 chains here. What we want to do now is work in crochet moss stitch. To do that, we will do an SC into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through those 2 loops. Once we have our first SC, you want to do a chain 1, skip 1 chain in the foundation, and do another SC into the next chain. And then we repeat this, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and do an SC. And that is our first completed row. Okay, now our row is done. We'll chain 2, turn our work, and continue in pattern. So what you want to do is find the chain 1 space below. So you can see the 2 SCs, so the chain 1 space in between. Insert your hook into the chain 1 space and create a SC or a single crochet, and then chain 1. Again, find that chain 1 space in the previous row, single crochet and a chain 1, single crochet and a chain 1. And when you come to the end of the row, you need to do a single crochet the corner here, the chain 3 that we have. So that is row number 2. Again, chain 2 to turn. So now the row 3. Row 3 is basically the repeat row. Once you figure out row 3, this is how we continue to build our headband. So we have chained 2. Now we do a single crochet into the chain 1 space below, and then chain 1, skip the single crochet again, single crochet into the chain 1 space below, and chain 1. And when you come to the end, there's a chain 2 starting space now, and into that we just add our last single crochet. And that is our row. We just need to repeat this to grow the headband. Now here's a headband that I'm actually using as my reference today, and you can see that our work is exactly the same width. So if I start with chain 10, I should have a headband that measures this wide. So now I'm just going to continue and build this to be as long as I need, and then I'll come back and show you. Okay, so here is how much I've crocheted. This took me about 20 minutes, and I'm not a fast crocheter, so I'm pretty sure if you're fast, you can get this done in 10-15 minutes. I have roughly about 17.5, maybe 18 inches long. So the fabric that this creates is kind of stretchy. You can see it has a stretch. And if I fold it in half, it is approximately the size of the headband I want to make. It's a little snugger, and I like that because this is a bit loose for me now. So you could go up to 20 inches, I would say, 18 to 20 inches, depending on your head size if you have a sample. Otherwise, just go ahead and make it 20 inches. So now what you want to do is join this to make it a headband. So take your rectangle, and you want to fold it in half. And then you just want to single crochet the 2 ends together. So you just want to line up your stitches, then insert the crochet hook from here into the foundation row, pull up a loop, You can single crochet or just slip stitch it together. I think I'll single crochet, then into the next space. Chain one into the next space. I'm just kind of holding the tail in place there while I crochet over it. Now I don't want the tail to go anywhere, so I'm going to open the tail and just crochet into the tail as well once. This will tighten the hold, and then the final one. There you can see we have a loop, a nice crocheted headband. Okay, then we're going to cut off the yarn. I leave about a 4 or 5 inch, and then you pull up the yarn through the last stitch, pull tight, and then you want to go ahead and weave this back in, but this is the wrong side. Turn it inside out and your crochet headband is basically ready. Isn't that cute? You can make this with a variegated yarn as well, and here's an example that I made. So you really don't need much yarn at all to make these crochet headbands. Let me know in the comments below what you think of today's tutorial. I'll have the printable pattern for this in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, happy crafting!